Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Gypsy with us. This is an 1.6 Baleno engine which is installed on this. This has come for the complete service. Like we are going to replace the vehicle with brand new parts, and you can just check out all the brake pads and routers has been removed, and also all differential work is going to be worked on this. We'll be putting all new parts in this. Complete all bearings is going to be replaced, like knuckle kit and joints, and everything would be done with a new greasing. And also you can just check out the vehicle. We have removed the gearbox at the moment because we are removing the clutch is completely gone out, so we'll be adding a brand new clutch on this. So you can just check out the gearbox which has been removed here, and gearbox oil is also being drained out before removing the gearbox from the vehicle. So complete servicing will be done on this. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more update on this vehicle. Follow us on our channel. We'll be showing you the complete detailed video of each of this red Gypsy. Stay tuned and watch. I'm going to remove the clutch completely and show you. So you can just check out complete joints have been removed, and we are going to add a brand new star kit in this. Complete joint stars will be added completely, and you can just check out the leakages also will be drained out completely, and brakes also will be removed, and we'll be changing replacing the differential oils also. So stay tuned and watch our channel. And this is the clutch which is going to be removed. And for more details of any kinds of service regarding our workshop, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and our workshop name is Jeep Zone. And this is a Bolero which is going to be painted completely, and new job is done on this. We are going to lift this vehicle. 2-inch lift will be done on this vehicle. So stay tuned and watch on this video. For more updates, WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. So please like and subscribe our channel.